Hi, so it's a short mini session to start processing any disturbing emotion, feeling, thought. We're going to keep it general. I don't want to go specific because I don't want you to start flooding or anything like that when you're alone. So just start with just relax your shoulders. You can shake your hands, move your neck, maybe open and close your mouth. Okay. Inhale, shoulders up. Exhale, release one more time. Okay. Let's just for a minute massage the chest area under the collarbone. And also the other side. Maybe it's sore here. You can apply the pressure that you feel comfortable with. Okay. And let's tap on the side of the hand. So just think about the emotion or the thought that you have now, right now. I'm just going to give you to guide you, but you use your own words, okay? So I'm not going to say the specific emotion or feeling because I don't want to confuse you. So you can say what comes to your mind. So even though I'm feeling these emotions or having this thought right now, I'm okay. Right here, right now, I'm okay, I'm safe. Even though I'm feeling this emotion or thinking this, I'm okay. I'm accepting this is what I'm feeling now. Even though I'm feeling this or thinking this, I'm open to maybe let some of this go. Okay, the crown of the head. Now just think about what it is. Okay, I'm just going to say this emotion or that thought, and you just say or think about what is relevant, what is showing up for you. Eyebrows, and you can switch hands, you can use one hand, two hands. This emotion. Side of the eye, this emotion, and just think what it is. Under the eye, this emotion, that thought. Breathe under the nose. Now, if this is an emotion, where in the body you can feel it? Maybe close your eyes so you can connect. Where is it? How does it feel exactly? Like, what's the sensation? Is it heavy? Is it dense? What's the color or the shape? Under the collarbones, beside the chest bone. Just think about, just bring your attention to the place in the body that you can feel it, and what exactly the sensation. Under the armpit, vertebra. If it is a thought, what the emotion that connected to this? If you're not sure, just guess. This emotion. And back to your body. Something changed. Maybe it's moved to other place, or it become like something different, the shape, or less heavy, or more, or the color, maybe now it's different. Just notice. Breathe. Under the eye. This emotion. Under the nose. The sensation. Just bring your attention under the lips. Thank you, body, for holding this for me and showing it to me. I'm asking you, maybe you can let some of this go, or maybe you can make it a little bit less intense. I'm really appreciate you holding and showing it to me. I'm paying attention. Same thing if it's a thought. Okay. I'm listening. Breathe. Okay. Just notice if anything changed. If anything your body is trying to tell you, maybe. Maybe now that you know, or at least trying to understand, you can let some of it go. See if anything else you want to say, think, feel. Breathe. Okay, back here. Even though I might have some more to process, or I can still feel the sensations, or still have these thoughts. I processed a lot today, even if it was just a few minutes, but I'm really proud of me for doing this work. It's not always easy, but I'm doing it. So I'm proud and I'm also grateful. Even though I still have things to process, maybe. I'm doing it. So I'm proud of myself. And I'm open to release more and more. If it's still very strong, so think about a safe place you can put it for now. Okay, maybe it's a safe, a box, on a cloud, under the ground, a different galaxy, anywhere, or you want it maybe somewhere that is more approachable for you. Anywhere you feel safe to put it for now. So you don't have to think about it or feel it right now if you don't want to. Okay. So now it's in my safe place, and I can always back to it and process it when I feel that I want to, when I have the time, the capacity, maybe with someone else that is with me, maybe when I'm feeling more relaxed, or yeah, any other time that I want to, or maybe I don't want to at all, and that's okay. Okay, so now it's in the safe place. I release. Maybe the universe can help me to process it without I don't need to do even anything. Maybe it's under the ground, become like a part of it now. I can choose to, when I want to, if I want to. And anyway, I accept myself. I'm proud of myself for doing it. And right here and right now, I'm okay. I'm safe. Okay, relax, shake your hands, relax your shoulders. Let's take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale through the nose or the mouth. Relax everything, your shoulders, your jaw, your belly. I hope it helps. Let me know in the comments, and I see you next time. Bye bye.